Hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this episode we are going to show is about makeup tips for different eye shapes types. What is eye shape? Eye shape refers to the general form and structure of your eyelids and the way your eyes sit in your face. Think of it like a unique blueprint for your eyes. Here's a simple breakdown. Lid shape. This describes the shape of your eyelid, whether it's hooded, monolid, or has a defined crease. Eye corner. The outer corner of your eye can be upturned, downturned, or almost horizontal, influencing the overall appearance of the eye. Eye position. The placement of your eyes in your face also contributes to your overall eye shape. Knowing your eye shape helps you to choose makeup techniques and products that will enhance your natural beauty. Let's break down some common eye shapes and tips for makeup. 1. Almond eyes. Shape. This is considered the classic shape, with a slight upturn at the outer corner. Makeup tip: you can pretty much do anything with almond eyes. Emphasize the natural shape with winged liner, play with bold colors, or create a dramatic smoky eye. Bonus: contouring the crease with a darker shade can make your eyes appear even more almond-shaped. 2. Hooded eyes. Shape. The eyelid is covered by a fold of skin, making it difficult to see the crease. Makeup tip: focus on lifting and opening up the eyes. Use lighter shades on the lid and a darker shade in the crease to define the eye. Apply eyeliner to the upper lash line only, or try a thin, tight line application. Bonus: use a light shimmery shade on the brow bone to draw attention upward and create a brighter, more open look. 3. Round eyes. Shape: large and round, sometimes appearing more prominent. Makeup tip: elongate the eye with makeup. Apply eyeliner to extend the outer corner, creating a cat eye effect. Use a darker shade on the outer corner and blend it towards the center of the lid. Bonus: try applying a darker shade to the outer corner of the crease and blending it outward to create an illusion of a longer, more almond shape. 4. Monolid eyes. Shape: a single, smooth eyelid, without a defined crease. Makeup tip: focus on adding dimension and definition. Use a light shade on the lid and a slightly darker shade in the crease. Apply eyeliner close to the lash line to define the eye. Bonus: experiment with graphic eyeliner looks to create a bold and eye-catching effect. 5. Deep set eyes. Shape: the eyes appear to recede slightly into the eye socket. Makeup tip: avoid using dark shades in the crease as they can make the eyes look even deeper. Focus on brightening the eye area with lighter shades on the lid and brow bone. Bonus: use a shimmery shade on the inner corner of the eye to add a touch of light and openness. Important note: these are just general guidelines. The best way to find what looks good on you is to experiment. Play with different colors, techniques, and styles until you find what makes you feel confident and beautiful. What kind of eye shape do you have? Let's discuss it further. I can offer more specific tips and even recommend some products based on your eye shape. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and leave a like. See you next time.